Prepositions according to time. A preposition of time is a preposition that allows you to discuss a specific time period, such as a date on the calendar, one of the days of the week, or the actual time something takes place. Preposition of time are the same words as preposition of place. However, they are used in a different way. So let's start with the on. On is used for days of the week. For example, he will come on Monday. There is a national holiday on Tuesday. School will remain closed on Friday. At. At is used for the night, for the weekends, for a certain point of time, like when. For example, Ahmed has coached during the day and gone recreating at night. I'm not free at weekend. We will meet at 9:30. In. In is used for month or for season, for time of the day, for years, for after a certain period of time, most probably when. For example, I will visit London in August. In the morning, I go for jogging. The Second World War began in 1939. Since. Since is used for a certain point of time, most probably past till now. For example, it's a long time ago since we met. Since last week, she is not feeling well. Since the Second World War, the world has divided into different sects. For. For is used with over a certain point of time, most probably past till now. For example, I have waited at the station for 5 hours. I'm not feeling well for 2 weeks. He had been taking care of her for nearly a year ago. Ago. Ago is used for a certain time in past. For example, 5 months ago, when we had met each other. How long ago did this happen? It's long time ago since we visited the village. Before. Before is used with earlier than a certain point of time. For example, night came on before he had finished it. He had completed his work before his teacher asked him. He will not return before we get back. To. To is used for telling the time. For example, it's 5 to 10. We have to leave now for the station. What time is it to 2 o'clock? To, till, or until is used for marking the beginning and end of a period of time. For example, you have to start working on this project from Monday to till next week. We will start a journey from 8 o'clock till we reach there. By. By is used for in the sense of at the latest stop to a certain point. For example, I will be back. by 6 o'clock. By 11 o'clock, I had read 5 pages. I will be there by 9 o'clock. Past. Past is used for telling the time. For example, it's 10 past 5. We have to leave now for the train station. What time is it? 2 past 15. So friends, you have to memorize all these words and try to speak them in daily life. Thank you.